sanga kwambiri kuli mabwera mwanyi choncho ngakhale kulozizira lero ndikuliziwa kwambiri mwani sadi kuli makona chipani makona DPP ndiye pa 14 mlede I'm sure mlede ndiba ine sikufunsa ngoni munivoto yayi ndikatero ndikuchimwirani ndikuzoa kulino munivotera choncho ndakabwera kuti ticheze papita nthawi itali kuti ndikuoneni ndione nkhope zanu zachikondi zaulemu kuti ticheze basi kwandizoa kuti makonzeka kale kuvota pa 14 September let me say one or two things about my Jane answer and why Nasanga. I've known my answer for a very, very long time. In the means of justice, Bola Bingu, Iwanai Attorney General. The grandchildren be most Gujaza Malamu. Komanso, Jane answer, and a Sankirani, Dora Bakini of the High Court. Abingu, and Asanga Kukala, Attorney General. APM, and Asanga Kukala, Chairman of Malawi Electoral Commission. 3 different presidents. She's a person I respected my president of Siana, and I know Korea Grand Shito can be as Maria Kanja Miss Kanja said, would it for government in Lama Amuro. Osaka government you kapa antu. O kwale my demonstration. It's honest so I Nenzokuri bola ine the answer is a great before I proceed, former First Lady, Tomaso Uremkwa Dora Jane Ansa, Uremkwa Right Honorable Chihana, Uremkwa Secretary General Bamo Peter Mukito, Vice President Wansi, IDPP Ford. Also, my Secretary General Ford. Governor also IDPP Ford. This governor IDPP Ford. My member of parliament, IDP, therefore, include leader of the opposition, Dora George Chaponda Ulemwanu, Nino Sabanga Mipano Ulemwanu. Leondosa Gwambi, first of all, could launch manifesto. Comanso with a launch campaign. Actually, campaign number campaign dija karisiri kaja kaina mnagulisa mukavote chwazina anoli mkaundula kumene munalembesa zina mbuku menemo ne upile mukavote azakulani kumvota tamala zimenezo isawai chwasi mvuta uli pale chwaki kime mnekta register. We need to take the government back in Navomina kubeyanso ulindime kachinae chifukwa ndifuna ndipulumuse dziko lino ndipo anthu tizakhala aukapolo ndi panotu ukapolo wa njala ukapolo pana ndalama onse ndi ukapolo panso ukapolo wa nkhanza koma kulandi kwathu zisaoneka mangana nena mu American Declaration of Independence in 1776 anena kuti three things: responsibility of government, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Kuli bakhale munthu moyo ufulu wanso anthu akhala osangala. It's a job of the government to make sure that people are happy, that they are not suffering. The job of government. Pakali pano akuti paziko lonse lapansi anthu akumawa number 2 anthu amene achisoni komanso omvesa chisoni. That's not good. That must say ndi tipulumuse ndiye ndikuuza MCB. I wish the TV was working. Kwandikuti, let my people go. Let my people go. Chifukwa ine ndizatenga kupita ku Kanaani. Osati kubaga moyo ayi. Koma ku Kanaani, I'll take you, I promise you that. I'll take you there. Nikuziwa, I've been on mountain top. I've been on top of Mlanje Mountain and I've seen the promised land. I promise you, you and I will get there. September 16th, we will get there. But we must work hard. Tipizane manja, Lelimozi, determined, we'll get there. Yangane pasogolo, osana kumbuyo, ngati mkazi wa Loti uja. Mukumbuka, kazi wa Loti, anana kumbuyo, anasandukaje, chulu chanchere, anasandukanchere, mkana kumbuyo John. Mujana kusogolo, so let's go together. Don't look on the side. Don't be distracted. Just go until you get to Canaan. So go until you go to the polling station there. Asa kunamizana kukupasana 50 kwacha and so for the year. Koma kupasana 50 kwacha tengani. Ndane anga kane namba. Baby. Ngakhe anandipa sana 50 ndile nganso. Koma sinabodela hayi. Sinabodela. De tengani. Kamati 50,000. Ka 1,000 tengani nditu. Tengani. Kabatu ndindama zantu. Siza odu. Santo and Misonkan Himeno. So, by Live Saudi, Zakuri Ziko, there is no reason for chwani ndamazan. No. If irede monga tanya manifesto sinyankwa za manifesto yefuka I think dola magalasi alongo fragwino kwambi zonse koma if manifesto atu dimati people centered is built around people monga anya dola magalasi with a decentralized government mazwa decentralization kuti boma lichoke kulilongwe lipite midzi mphamvu ichoke kulilongwe ipite midzi so ma village ma district akhani budget yawo ma constituency akafapa mlatu apa mlatu and so forth the budget metapase so most of the money womukuja kulilongwe kubwera soko then ndikuno ku Blantyre ndikusirikizeni ndikuzoa kuti Blantyre yaonongedwa. Blantyre was the industrial commercial capital of this country. Deliberately yaonongedwa kuti makampani onse ofunika kama mall housing chani zonse zapita kulilongwe. I was talking to one of the hotel people who had a business. They've got Blantyre somebody out and you've got pants. Coming I promise. The first day at 8 o'clock on the 17th, I issued a decree kubeza makampani ameja kuno ku Blantyre. This is the commercial capital of Malawi. Komanso ndikuzoa kuti Blantyre, the football capital of Malawi. I promise you, in addition to my Sera Mawili Ajanamba, the United States, in fact, in Henry Musa, we started negotiations, the Bomarina La Kunja, could Blantyre could come modern stadium. In addition to Kamzo Stadium, another modern stadium, Chokoro, the football capital of Malawi, Mezo Tizaichita. So go for now. Kabla mnakuja manifesto. Hakuna basi magasu ya hakuna mazimeja. Sachita ya. Gada damiza ntaija ba 2020. I can tell you, ife tikalongeza timachita zimenezo. Tikalongeza timachita. Mwone ba 2040, tinalongeza kuti tikonza chuma, sina konze. Nana kuti tibwe ni makomite kolegi sana bwere. Nana kuti titse za njala, sina tete. Zonse, nana kuti tibwesa forex, sitabwesa forex. Pameni na choka ine, forex na over $1 billion US. Yeah, forex. When I left the government, I don't know, but I left over $1 billion. $1 billion. In forex. Chicho se chimeta ongela tunachita. Antikabwela so tipiriza zimenezo. Sedene kwa Chinyamata program ya Community Technical College. Tipiriza constituency yonse kubakai Community Technical College. Divi oye komanso kwantu ovudika kandi oluma kamabanja anamasie ndantodwa tebiriza mawada disment services. When I left in 2020, Tidamanga nyumba 15,000. My aim was within 10 years. Paskai nyumba ya do tikoyo do ntamuno Malawi and we're doing. We'll do it at the program. Choncho don't select that promise manifesto ya zikidika ite what? Because in the plan, I think I can disclose today. I think Honorable Mananzega hinted at it. Within Nakazikisa group, Economic Recovery Committee. Committee, Yokonza Zikorino. Committee, Imeno Yamaizan Chidaje. Report is ready. Could it beginning September 17th? Take it implement program imeno. Tiamba program imeno. Yokonza Zikorino. Ready. Program to now. Of course, like they disclose now. Swagudina Angadibereso. And they see that disclose. Kwakara show the truth. Kuti fight the program menu, Economic Recovery Committee. Take it as measure. And I'm sure for the next 5 years, Zikono Kankimake, Chuma, Jaw, Mavurosia Sara, Tiza Tasmanezo. Nikuda sure if it going to get my cheetah, and this time teach it as a manager. Sure that. But what also is taken, Germany vote, vote Musawai. Commence before that campaign, Move company ponse, move you on Pide, because Mauze, the manifesto, manifesto, Mauze is made for the Chide and Famizi. She found and Famizi, or Atukukenso, which my program Atukuko, Atuke Kulongwe, Abile Miz, Kuri Antu, Azibalan Chido, Mizimao. Kangaru Mufrakbanga, Kapela Nsew, Kakumanga Chipata. Nedo Antoine Miz Menemu, Alemedan Chido. Las Menezo, Nakani Maintu, Okilan Chido, Kudi Madam Menemo, Murubuke. Choncho, and Zaku Quada, Nai Nimambi, come I think, Wada Somano. Sheriff Audumandem, Usiku, the good trouble about me, we know some of Kuno, so can be a manifesto committee from what's Comesa? Not Comesa, from where was it? Oh, yes. Man, short, not Comesa. And here, those in the Burugambiri, the Gurizon Gambiri, Tibireku, Gizana, Kukona Dons, and Ibanya Limosi, they were Ambuya saying Ziko Gambiri, Ziko.
Democratic Progressive DPP Abita Mutariga. Pakungu Cities of Kazakhstan manifesto ya chipani cha Democratic Progressive DPP komanso campaign akuti Kazakhstan campaign huku